Do I get a thank you? Oh, no! Ingrateful. Criminy, at this rate, it'll take me 1,000,000 years to get rid of these things.
You did it, Abu. You are so brave. You are the smartest, bravest monkey ever.
Oh.
Father will probably want to give you a medal.
We got it! We got the orb!
Genie, we can cure you now. Genie?
Where'd he go?
Look.
My faithful companions, I have gone someplace where I cannot hurt you anymore. Please don't try to find me. You are the greatest friends ever. Love, Genie. P.S. Iago can have my golf clubs.
Pebble Beach, here I come! I mean, how tragic.
No! We can't give up! Come on, Carpet!
But we don't even know where to begin. He could be anywhere.
Then we'll just have to look everywhere.
I think it'll be easier than that.
There he is.
Genie! We got the orb! We can cure you!
That's great, Al! I'm saved! Nice to see old friends.
Genie! The orb!
Ow! Whoa!
Oh boy.
Goodbye, goodbye, and goodbye. I'm cured!
Get away, it might be contagious.
Not a chance! I am a 100% AA okay picture of health. I couldn't feel better.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, Genie. Me too.
Al, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm just...
Al, you've caught a cold. And no wonder. Wandering around that drafty cavern of Mackinac without a shirt. Oh, you kids will be the death of me.